Welcome to my little video on the improvement works that are happening to the west of Cheltenham. There is a huge project which has just started to improve not only the motorway junction, which is junction 10, but also to build lots of houses and a brand new link road ready for a tech park, which will be hopefully built in the coming years. It's part of a massive investment in the area, and that comes with thousands of houses also. So in this video I'm just going to give you a little bit of a tour and show you what's going on. I will promise to come back each month and show you the development as this project progresses. Now along this route you can see some houses that were part of a village. They're about to be joined by those much bigger new housing estates that are about to be built. And you can see some compounds for the construction work which is starting. Quite a curious little building there. I don't know what that is. It doesn't have any windows, but it's made and designed to look like a house. If anyone knows, then please do let me know what you think that building is there. So at the moment we're nearest the Cheltenham side of the road, and what we'll do in the next few moments is we'll have a look down the other end near the motorway. Right, so we've switched now to heading towards the motorway. There's the burger van down there. If you drive past, you'll probably regularly spot that van parked in the little lay-by there. So this is where most of the work seem to be happening at the moment. And as we approach these houses, these were compulsory purchased a couple of years ago. They've remained empty for a while, and now very recently the bulldozers have been in and flattened these. Curiously, all but one house, and I don't know what the story is with the one house that's not been demolished yet. I wonder if there's some kind of legal challenge or somebody who's stopping that one house from being demolished. It's quite curious. So I'm being responsible with the drone here. I'm not going to take it over the motorway. I'm just going to go up to it and then we'll turn around. There we can see that you can only go northbound at this junction. You will be able to go southbound. You can see the lots of work going on there in preparation for the junction, which should open in 2029. So I just want to say before I finish up this video that I was inspired to make this video by two YouTubers. One of them is Tim Roberts, and he flies his drone in Hemsby and around the local areas of Norfolk, and he specialises in showing the coastal erosion that's been happening on the Norfolk coast. And I'm sorry, Tim, I liked the music from your video so much that I pinched this track because I really liked the music. I hope you don't mind. And yes, go and see Tim's videos because he does some amazing drone flights. He's probably a bit better at flying the drone than me. And the other channel you might be interested in if you like this sort of thing is HarryH-E-MTB. Harry has been producing drone flights over the new A417 missing link, and he's done some amazing drone flights. He must have a better drone than me, and you can go and see all the work that's happening on the A417. So check out that other channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll make some more videos as we see the progress.